Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Sujit's Chem Biotech. Today's my topic is Cannizzaro reaction. This reaction is very important for our class 12 exam as well as NEET exam, JEE main exam, etc. exam. In this video I discuss about the which molecule can undergo Cannizzaro reaction. My next point is the condition of Cannizzaro reaction. In which condition molecule undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. My third point involved example, suitable example. My fourth point is example of cross Cannizzaro reaction, and then I discuss about the example of intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. Now let us start at first which molecule can undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. Now, which molecule can undergoes Cannizzaro reaction? The aldehyde molecule which does not contain alpha H atom can undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. Let us give some example of those aldehyde molecule which does not contain an alpha H atom. My first example is formaldehyde. Now you can see that this formaldehyde molecule contain the CHO functional group. Apart than this molecule does not contain any carbon atom. So formaldehyde molecule does not contain alpha C atom. For this reason, formaldehyde molecule does not contain alpha H atom. Since formaldehyde molecule does not contain an alpha H atom, so this molecule can undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. My next example is the aromatic aldehyde, which is known as benzaldehyde. Now, in benzaldehyde, the functional group CHO is marked at first. Now, the carbon atom attached to functional group carbon, that is this carbon, are known as alpha carbon. So, benzaldehyde molecule contain an alpha carbon atom, but this carbon does not contain any hydrogen atom. Benzaldehyde molecule does not contain alpha H atom. Since benzaldehyde molecule does not contain alpha H atom, so benzaldehyde molecule can undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. My third example is 2,2-dimethyl propanol. This molecule contain an CHO functional group. The carbon atom attached to CHO functional group known as alpha carbon atom. Now this carbon is alpha carbon atom. This molecule contain alpha C atom, but alpha carbon does not contain any H atom. So 2,2-dimethyl propanol or trimethyl acetaldehyde molecule does not contain an alpha H atom. Since this molecule does not contain alpha H atom, so 2,2-dimethyl propanol can undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. Now, these are few examples of the molecule which can undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. My next point is condition of this reaction. Here, minimum 2 molecules of aldehyde will take part in this reaction. Those molecules which does not contain alpha H atom. This molecule may be aliphatic aldehyde or maybe aromatic aldehyde also. Now these two aldehyde molecule can undergo Cannizzaro reaction in presence of 50% NaOH or 50% KOH, and when it's heated, then one aldehyde molecule, half of the aldehyde molecule undergoes oxidation. Now when aldehyde undergoes oxidation, they will form carboxylic acid. Here we obtained salt of carboxylic acid. Why? Because here carboxylic acid will form, but the reaction condition contain NaOH or KOH, highly alkaline in nature. So here, instead of carboxylic acid, we obtain salt of carboxylic acid. And another aldehyde molecule undergoes reduction to form alcohol molecule. So half of the molecule undergoes oxidation and rest of the molecule undergoes reduction. So this Candido reaction is an example of self-oxidation reduction reaction because half of the aldehyde molecule undergoes oxidized to form carboxylic acid and we obtain at last salt of carboxylic acid, and half of the aldehyde molecule undergoes reaction to form alcohol. For this reason, Candido reaction is an example of self-oxidation reduction reaction. Let us talk about the example of Candido reaction. In this Candido reaction, my first example deals with formaldehyde. Formaldehyde molecule does not contain alpha H atom. Here we take two molecules of formaldehyde. Here one molecule of formaldehyde undergoes oxidation. When formaldehyde undergoes oxidized, then it forms formic acid. The formula of formic acid is HC double bonded O, then O, then H. Now here alkali is present, so we instead of formic acid we get salt of formic acid known as sodium formate. So this formaldehyde molecule undergoes oxidation, and the red color formaldehyde molecule undergoes reduction. It can form. Now this red color formaldehyde molecule undergoes reaction to form methyl alcohol CH3OH. So half part of the molecule undergoes oxidation and remaining part of the molecule undergoes reduction. So this is an example of self-oxidation reduction reaction. My second example is the next one where benzaldehyde molecule undergoes Candido reaction. Here we draw two molecules of benzaldehyde. Let us suppose black color benzaldehyde undergoes oxidation. When benzaldehyde undergoes oxidation, it can form benzoic acid. The structure of benzoic acid is PH, C double bonded O, then O, then H. Now here benzoic acid we cannot obtain because this is the alkaline medium. So instead of benzoic acid, we obtain the salt of benzoic acid, which is known as sodium benzoate. And the remaining part of the benzaldehyde molecule, this red color molecule, undergoes reduction to form benzyl alcohol. So this molecule undergoes oxidation reduction to form benzyl alcohol. The formula of benzyl alcohol is PHCH2OH. So red color benzaldehyde molecule undergoes reduction to form benzyl alcohol, and black color benzaldehyde molecule undergoes oxidation to form sodium salt of benzoic acid, which is known as sodium benzoate. This is the most popular two example of Candido reaction in respect to our class 12 exam. My next example is very important, crossed Candido reaction. In this type of reaction where two starting material are different, here we take one molecule of formaldehyde and another molecule of benzaldehyde. In my previous example of Candido reaction where starting material are same, so one molecule undergoes oxidation and another undergoes reduction. Now there is a crucial question here in cross Candido reaction where two starting molecules are different, that which molecule undergoes oxidation and which undergoes reduction. Very crucial question. Now here we take two molecules, one is formaldehyde and the benzaldehyde. In case of benzaldehyde, now let us see the structure of benzaldehyde where CHO group attached to it the phenyl ring. We know phenyl ring shows plus R effect. This plus R effect deactivates the carbonyl carbon atom, reactivity of carbonyl carbon atom. So this carbonyl carbon atom is less reactive, and this less reactive carbonyl carbon atom cannot react with the hydroxide anion of the alkali. So this molecule undergoes reduction. So benzaldehyde molecule undergoes reduction. Since benzaldehyde molecule undergoes reduction, so formaldehyde molecule undergoes oxidation. Now when formaldehyde molecule undergoes oxidation, it can form formic acid. Now here you cannot obtain formic acid. Instead of formic acid, we obtain the salt of formic acid because In presence of alkali NaOH, we cannot obtain the free acid, we obtain the salt of formic acid. So formic molecule undergoes oxidation to form salt of formic acid, and benzyl molecule undergoes reduction to form benzyl alcohol PHCH2OH. When we study the mechanism of the Canio reaction, then we can understand the actual chemistry behind it. In case of cross Canio reaction, to analyze exactly the cross Canio reaction, we must want to know the mechanism of the Canio reaction. In my next video, I told about the mechanism of Canio reaction. Then we can clearly explain that why formaldehyde molecule undergoes oxidation and benzyl molecule undergoes reduction to form benzyl alcohol. My next topic is intramolecular Canio reaction. In previous example, we see that in Canio reaction we require two molecules of aldehyde. Two molecules of aldehyde supplies two aldehyde CHO group. Now, in case of intramolecular reaction, where in a molecule two CHO group are present. For example, glyoxal, which contains two CHO group. And when glyoxal undergoes Canio reaction, then one part of the CHO group, red color CHO group, suppose undergoes oxidation to form carboxylic acid. Now, in presence of NaOH, we obtain salt of carboxylic acid. And another CHO group, this black color CHO group, undergoes reduction to form CH2OH. So, in this Canio reaction, one molecule is sufficient to perform the reaction because in a molecule two CHO group are present. Such type of reaction is known as intramolecular Canio reaction. My next example of intramolecular Canio reaction is in next example of intramolecular Canio reaction where phthalaldehyde undergoes reaction with 50% KOH. When phthalaldehyde reacts with 50% KOH, this phthalaldehyde molecule contains two CHO group. Now let this CHO group undergoes oxidation. So it can form COOH. In case of it obtain potassium salt of carboxylic acid because KOH is taken. And the next CHO molecule, this red color CHO molecule, let undergo reduction to form CH2OH. So, in one molecule here, Canio reaction takes place because in one molecule two CH group are present. Since two CH group are present, one CH group undergoes oxidation and another CH undergoes reduction. This is the example of intramolecular Canio reaction. There are two exceptions observed in Canio reaction. One is chloral Cl3C CHO. Chloral molecule does not contain alpha H atom, although it cannot undergoes Canio reaction. It cannot undergoes Canio reaction. And the second exception is the next example is 2-methyl propanol or isobutylaldehyde. This molecule contains an alpha H atom, although it undergoes Canio reaction. These are two exceptional cases. This is the video of my Canio reaction. Thanks for watching my video of Canio reaction. If you like my video, then you must subscribe my channel Sujit's Chem Biotech and press the bell icon, like, comment, share on this video. Thanks for watching my channel, and in my next video we upload the mechanism of Canio reaction very quickly. Thank you.